everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Dylan here. So we have an awesome video for you guys today. So please thumbs up the video, make sure you're subscribed. And before we jump in, wanted to tell you guys that about an incredible opportunity right now to start making money just by making little videos promoting products like this car charger, like this other car charger, like these little games right here, this digital camera, or like, you know, products like the C4 energy drink. You can make money right on TikTok now on your phone. It only requires a few minutes a day to start making money on it. And you don't need an experience or a following, and you just do it on your phone. You don't need to show your face or anything. Click the link below if you're interested in this to join my TikTok shop program and learn how people are making thousands and thousands of dollars per month. They just made it super easy for anybody to start doing this. And right now there's a 30-day free trial to sign up, try it out, see if you can start making money. If you don't like it, you can cancel it anytime. So check the link out below. Let's get started with the video. There is actually a new ride-sharing app called Hover, which is promising to actually pay drivers 100% of the fare.
100?
Yep, 100% of the fare.
Greater Toronto area have one more option to
And it's a Canadian company. So Izzy is Canadian.
Yeah, kind of.
Kind of. You've lived in Canada for a long time.
Yeah.
So this is starting in Canada, but it could come to America.
Around today. Hover is a ride-hailing app based in Toronto that comes with the promise of fair pay for drivers, but can it compete with Uber and Lyft? Harrison Ahmet is the founder and CEO of Hover, and he joins me now in studio. Harrison, thanks for being on the program.
Absolutely. Thanks for having me, Travis.
So we are approaching the end of day one.
Yeah.
How have operations been so far?
So far, so good. We've gotten tons of attraction on the platform from riders and drivers, and everything is running as smooth as it can be for day one.
Okay, so let's talk about the differences with Hover as opposed to Uber and Lyft.
Absolutely. So fundamentally, we have a different business model. So we employ a membership model for the drivers. So instead of taking a commission per ride, they keep 100% of the fares.
So they're charging drivers to use the app. So what do you think about that? Drivers have to pay money, but then they keep 100% of the fare.
I wonder if they'd end up making more even with the membership fee than driving Uber.
Probably, because if Uber and Lyft are taking, 30% of every single ride, you'd probably make the membership fee, on a couple rides. And if you're driving every single day, it's $20 a month.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah.
Then yeah, that's totally worth it.
And then they also charge the passenger so it's the fare, like drivers keep 100% of the fare, and then they charge the driver or the passenger an additional $1 ride fee, and then there's an extra 50-cent tax or something, or transportation. So they're making $1 or $2 per ride. Plus they keep the membership fees for all the drivers. That's how they make money.
I think that's pretty good.
Yeah. Me too.
Our slogan is also our business model. 100% fair is 100% fair. So drivers can pay that monthly membership, keep 100% of the fares, and as a result, that allows us to charge less. So riders pay less and drivers earn more.
So how do you make profit then as a company?
Absolutely, it's a great question. It's usually the next one that comes around.
Yeah.
So the fares for us are described as the per kilometer rate, the per time rate, as well as the base rate. That's the fare. So the other rideshare companies, they take a percentage out of that. And so that's the driver's earnings. They keep 100% of that. Now, it's still a business. There are still fees involved. Now, the fees that the rider pays are the fares plus the total fees. We have a $1 platform fee along with the city fee, the insurance fee, and the transaction fee.
Right.
And so that's how we earn our keep.
Okay, we've been hearing...
So that's pretty interesting.